Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up Bollinger Bands in Thinkorswim. Bollinger Bands are a popular chart study that help you see how volatile a market is and where price sits relative to its recent average. They consist of a middle moving average with an upper and lower band that expand when volatility rises and contract when it falls. With that context in mind, let's add them to your chart in Thinkorswim. Begin by opening the Thinkorswim app. Give it a moment to load your workspace so the charting tools are fully available. Once you're in, head to the charting area by selecting the chart view. This brings up a price chart for whatever symbol you have loaded. If you want to focus on a different ticker, type it into the symbol box at the top of the chart and pick the time frame you plan to analyze so the study aligns with your strategy. Next, open the analysis tools. In many layouts, you'll find this as a Studies or Analysis button or a small beaker icon above the chart. Click it to access the menu where studies live. When the panel opens, hover your mouse over Add Studies. Don't click yet, just hover. So the submenu expands and reveals additional options. From there, hover over All Studies. This shows the full alphabetical list of available indicators. To make it faster to find what you need, move your cursor to the BC section. That narrows the list to indicators whose names begin with those letters, which includes the one we want. Now click Bollinger Bands. As soon as you select it, the study is applied to your active chart. You should see three lines, the middle simple moving average and the upper and lower bands that envelop price. By default, many setups use a 20-period moving average with bands set 2 standard deviations away, but the exact defaults can vary. If your strategy requires different inputs or colors, you can adjust those later in the study's settings so the lines are easy to see against your chart background. A few quick tips for clarity. If the lines look flat or crowded, try zooming in or switching to a time frame that matches your trading horizon. The bands will naturally look tighter on low volatility periods and wider during fast moves. Also, if you don't immediately see the study, confirm it was applied to the price pane and that your chart scale isn't clipped. That's all there is to it. You opened Thinkorswim, went to Chart, opened the Analysis tools, hovered over Add Studies, then All Studies, navigated to BC, and selected Bollinger Bands. You're now set to visualize volatility and contextualize price action more effectively.